realm of botanical elegance with the enchanting Japanese maple trees. Renowned for their graceful forms, captivating foliage, and profound symbolism, these trees bring a touch of artistry to any garden. In this video, we embark on a journey into the world of Japanese maple trees, exploring their exquisite features, the cultural significance they hold, and essential insights for nurturing their beauty in your own garden sanctuary. Japanese maple trees, living works of art. Japanese maple trees, Acer Palmatum, are celebrated for their intricate leaves, which come in a diverse palette of colors, from vivid greens to fiery reds and delicate purples. Their delicate, lacy leaves transform ordinary landscapes into living canvases that evolve with the changing seasons. Cultural significance. In Japanese culture, these trees symbolize grace, beauty, and the transient nature of life, a concept known as mono no aware. Their presence in Japanese gardens has deep historical roots, dating back to ancient times when they were revered as sacred symbols of nature's harmony. Selecting the right variety. Japanese maple trees offer an array of cultivars, each with its own unique characteristics. Varieties like Bloodgood boast deep red foliage, while Sengokaku features vibrant coral branches. Choose a variety that resonates with your aesthetic and complements your garden's overall design. Ideal growing conditions. Light. Japanese maples thrive in dappled or filtered sunlight, protecting their delicate leaves from scorching sun. Soil. Well-draining, slightly acidic soil is essential. Amend the soil with compost to enhance moisture retention. Watering. Regular watering is crucial, especially during the growing season. Mulch around the base to conserve moisture and regulate temperature. Pruning. Minimal pruning is recommended to maintain the tree's natural form. Remove dead or crossing branches to encourage healthy growth. Protection. In colder climates, shelter the tree from strong winds to prevent damage to its delicate leaves and branches. Seasonal splendor. Witness the magic of Japanese maple trees as they transform with the seasons. Spring showcases fresh new foliage, summer brings a rich tapestry of colors. Fall bursts with fiery brilliance, and winter reveals the tree's intricate branching structure. Creating a harmonious setting. Plant Japanese maple trees as focal points in your garden, where their elegance can take center stage. Complement their beauty with understory plants, such as hostas, ferns, or rhododendrons, to create a harmonious and enchanting landscape. Cultivating Japanese maple trees in your garden is an artistic endeavor that harmonizes nature, culture, and aesthetics. With their ever-changing hues and graceful silhouettes, these trees invite you to slow down and appreciate the fleeting beauty of each moment. As you nurture these living masterpieces, you connect with the rich legacy of Japanese garden traditions, while adding an enduring touch of elegance to your outdoor haven.